Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 9. P, Q, and R are subsets of the universal set U. The Venn diagram showing the relationship of P intersects Q union R is P intersects Q union R. Now, let's have the Venn diagram. Since the universal set is set U, and P, Q, and R are subsets of what? Of this set U. So let's have it like this, the Venn diagram. Now let this be P, let this be Q, and then this R. They are subsets of the universal sets. Now the question says relationship showing P intersects Q. Now let's pick P intersects Q now. P intersects Q is this point entirely, because this is P and this is Q, so the entire point here is what? P intersects Q. Now it also says what? Union, that is and R, so meaning the entire part, what? Entire aspect of R, which is this is the entire aspect of R. So now you can see that what the part or the option that agrees with what I just shaded here is option C. Option C is the part that corresponds with this, and so therefore making option C the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.